super cool. So here we go. Let's try Smartsheet. Let's do start to finish, and this is the start.
All right.
Try Smartsheet for free. Wah. Let's try it. Hey, let's go.
Well, there's a sheet that looks pretty smart.
It's smart, all right. All right, so let's go get this here thing fun.
Okay, so I'm confirming the email, setting up the account right now, put my name in, and company management, because you'll drop down for anything. Then specifically, I select up to 3 types of work. So we will say we are budgeting, project management, and let's say request intake. Next, name our project. What should that be, Jeff?
Just call
software
project.
review.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Even better. Even better.
Continue. Add tasks.
Just throw in task 1, task 2, task 3.
Okay, task 1.
That should be fine.
Task 2.
I like how my face is frozen.
Next. Yes, that's a very break down your task into 2 subtasks. So task number 1. Subtask number 2. We're brilliant with our naming conventions. Next, add dashboard. Invite team. Okay, invite team. Skip step. Bada bing, bada boom.
Cool. All right, so here's where, like, this is the normal where we end up when the screen we see. So what's funny is it doesn't automatically take you to like the list view, like that we from Asana and the other ones that they kind of drop you into your project that you just created. This shows you the workspace and the bunch of information that they give you with setting up the first project. So it's kind of cool. The only thing is, if this were the first time I was going to be going here, I would be
maybe a little confused as to what it does.
Yeah, I'd be screwed up a little bit. So the way they set up their stuff is a little jankety. So in here is really nice. The thing that you just created is the task sheet. So maybe you can click on the task sheet and it'll show us the subtasks and all that junk.
Yeah, so it's given us a little help window here. Find your items. Okay. Browse the content you created, have access to here. Next, you can structure your information, assign people, choose from contact symbol, dates, and more. Okay. Create row relationships. You can organize and achieve more with subtasks. You can use the indent button to add a hierarchy.
Yeah, that's like Excel and all those others.
Mm-hmm.
This is nice.
And Gantt view, grid, card, or calendar. Okay.
Yep.
And collaborate and share content, attach files, leave comments, set reminders, etc. Work together. Invite your team to edit and collaborate. Use share to include individuals or entire groups. Cool. Yep. And how to set up a sheet. Got it. We just did.
Yeah. Yeah. So what we're trying to test is just to see the normal everyday person who has no time on their hands to come in and set something up and start using it. So I would say if it brought you to this list page and it showed you this right off the bat, it would be golden. We'd be like, all right, great. Let's light it up.
Yep.
Took us to that little workspace. If you click on the far left, that little folder icon.
The browse?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That'll bring us back to
where
we were. If you didn't know all that stuff that I know now, you'd have a tough time trying just to get started right away.
Right.
It's kind of but I think once you know that stuff, it's nice. Can you do me a quick favor and just click on, say, the project dashboard that it says there, just so we can show a quick little
Sure.
yeah. See that it shows you, it's cute, it's super cute. So that's attached to the task list that you just created.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice, I think.
Very
But
nice.
and now we're a little bit lost, and what I always do is I go over to the browse folder thingy again, and yeah, and that's how I always situate myself
It's like
in.
the home button.
Yeah. Because if you click on their actual home button up top, it's okay if you only have created a couple things, but once you create a whole bunch of stuff,
Right.
it's going to be loaded and you can't really move it around.
Yep.
So I don't know. What do you think? What do you feel about how it
Well, I kind of agree with you. I think it works really well. It's clean. You can the actions are pretty straightforward and useful. Um, to your point, if it showed up originally with this screen as the first screen, I think not this one rather, but the task, then you would have more of an idea just starting off the bat what you're dealing with, because essentially it's an Excel sheet that's been jazzed up with all sorts of cool features, which is very useful and very intuitive for those of us who've been using these things forever. So I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I totally, what you just said is what I think. I think that it's a little tricky to get right into it, but the sheet is really nice to use. I like it. I think what we'll do next after in the next round of videos is we'll start building an actual project plan, all that kind of junk. And I think we'll see, because I've built them in this before, that it's really pretty easy, pretty nice. All right, so that's good. Smash that like button and subscribe and tell your grandmas and grandpas to do it.